let me ask you whether it's speaking now of the intelligence it takes to be funny. Can a computer ever do it? Do you think we'll see artificial intelligence write jokes that can compete with what a human can do?
No, because the computer would have to have a human sensibility. If you're trying to understand human beings, it means you've got to give the computer all the information that it needs to understand human beings. And who's going to be able to do that?
Yes, that's right. They'll probably never be able to.
Yeah, so I think the limits, and it fascinates me, this Daniel Kahneman stuff about algorithms.
That's right. Thinking fast and slow.
Yes, fast and slow, because it seems to me that where you can have algorithms that will be unbeatable, which are absolutely perfect if they're examining a purely logical activity like chess or one of your board games.
Yes.
Right? Because then that's complete logic. And of course the computer can work out all the possibilities, but the moment you bring the human personality into it,
yes.
and I think a lot of the trouble is that there is that guy Taylor, whose name you reminded me of, who started making American industry more efficient.
That's right.
I think efficiency has become such an obsession in business that people forget that human beings are sort of quite interesting in their own way, even when they're not being efficient.